Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to make text bold, italic using Microsoft Word. Firstly, open your Word file, click File option and click Open and click Browse. Desktop. This is our Word document and select your text area and see this bold icon B and italic icon. Click here italic. This text already applied italic and I will apply this text bold. Select here bold. Text already bold. I will make this text italic. Select here italic. Also you can change other font style. Select here Arial black or Arial. Select here this is, and finally click file option, save as your Word file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.